Today we're perched along one of the most desirable roadways in all of Oak Bay, with a charming 1911 residence perched and positioned to capture magnificent views across the southern coastline of Vancouver Island. From this position, I can see Harling Point, Clover Point, all the way out to Machosen and across the Pacific Ocean to the Olympic Mountain Range in Washington State. Old world charm with some of Victoria's best natural beauty. This is Seabank at 50 King George Terrace. This arts and crafts home has been extensively renovated over the years, including new stucco siding, windows, lots of mechanical upgrades, as well as extensive outdoor hardscaping and rock work to craft beautiful outdoor living spaces. That's not to say that the charm and warmth of yesteryear isn't present in this home. All of those character details that you would expect, from oak floors with mahogany inlays to beautiful picture frame moulding and wainscotting, are present, and there was a thoughtful design here with space designed to capture these magnificent views.